Hi, I'm Michaela, and for my biology class, I will be discussing synaptic communication. In a synaptic communication, a neuron transfers a signal to another cell. A neuron is an excitable cell that processes and transmits information through electrical and chemical signals. The neuron's axon terminals deliver to another neuron's dendrite. The signal that is being sent is an action potential. It is generated from a voltage-gated ion channel that creates a movement from resting potential of a neuron to depolarization of the sodium ions on the outside of the cell membrane to when the gate switches. Then, repolarization of potassium ions occur until it reaches around the voltage of threshold. These movements create a switching effect on the cell membrane that is able to move the impulse down the axon and into the axon terminals. A sodium-potassium pump is needed to rebalance the ions. This electrical impulse will then travel down to the synaptic end bulb, where the neurotransmitters are grouped into vesicles. These neurotransmitters are brain chemicals that are sent across the synapse. This area is called the presynaptic part because it is before the synapse. This impulse will cause a calcium voltage channel to open and release calcium. Calcium concentration is greater outside the cell, so it will flow to the end of the bulb. Calcium activates microtubules to cause exocytosis, which is when a cell secretes content of vesicles out of the cell. A neurotransmitter, such as acetylcholine, will be released into the synapse by diffusing into a synaptic cleft. The acetylcholine will bind to a ligand-gated sodium channel, which are a group of transmembrane ion channel proteins which open to allow ions like potassium and sodium to pass through in response to the binding chemical messenger. Now that these channels are open, sodium will move in because of the depolarization. This propagation kickstarts the action potential in the following neuron or cell. The signal transfer will vary between kind of cells, receptors, and neurotransmitters. In brief, that was the synaptic communication process. Thank you.